I just want to have some suggestions, Mr. Secretary, regarding the social pension of indigents. If we can make it quarterly, and I hope it would be simultaneously. Kasi yung iba nakakatanggap na, yung iba hindi pa, no? Kung minsan 6 months, ganon, bago nila matanggap. So, can we make it quarterly and please make it simultaneously para lahat na lang makatanggap kasi yung iba nakakatanggap, yung iba hindi.
Yung mode of payment, we're pleased to inform you po that it's now done on a quarterly by monthly system. So, hindi na ho siya quarterly.
Yes.
Sorry, hindi na siya semestral. Quarterly and bi-monthly na siya. In fact, we're already studying na, but it's still being studied kasi yung control mechanism, yearly. Ibigay na siya buo para naka-obligate na kami, then we just monitor the LGUs, pero it can be a bit dangerous kasi nga, yung liquidation niya kung may pumanaw or moving target ho to. So we're right now sticking to quarterly and bi-monthly. So hindi na ho siya semestral.
Okay, thank you very much. Kaya lang marami pa rin kasing nagre-reklamo na hindi pa daw nila natatanggap yung social pension nila.
Madam, we've started it, kailan na natin sinurge? Just fairly recently. Ma'am, baka hindi kaya ho yung nagre-reklamo ay yung mga nasa waitlist na
Hindi.
unfunded?
Hindi, yung mga tumatanggap na, especially in Quezon.
We'll look into it, ma'am. We'll look into it, ma'am.